Hello, my name is Nathan Personius. I'm the Applications Engineer for Automatic Timing and Controls and Diversified Electronics. Today we're going to talk about our DTA100USD Multi-Mode Timer as part of our expansion into DIN rail. Some key features include 10 timing modes, timing ranges from 0.1 seconds to 10 days, convenient screwdriver adjustment, 16 amp rated relays, a 17.5 millimeter space-saving design, and UL 508A listed, CE, REACH, and RoHS approved. Typical applications for this product include food and beverage, water, wastewater, pharmaceuticals, and safety circuits. For more information about the DTA100USD DIN rail mount timer, check it out at galco.com.